Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan ra siya pi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi, minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Ulampang jong kaying dorbar thau ain ke jilla uba met ba lingdo ka khat khandai terik ubana jemmang arajar arpuwei ulalum Jingïalang yi ki menteri sorkar bat kentup ru yi ki MLA jong kaliang persya ban yetheria tai sani halor ka jing saphayang state haduk kata-kata jong khunyang jingpang COVID-19 hakani ke jilla Meghalaya. Habaya keren bat kilap pathai khubor hadin balawai ke Jingïalang balaya shim bentalang da menteri rangba Konrad Kongkel sangma uba met ba ulaong bahagani ke Jingïalang la yetheria tai ba ke sorkar jilla kan penbiang banbu no ya ki oxygen plant hagi district beper jong ke jilla bat banbu khambun ru ya ki Jingkiew ki hospital bat hakajo kopor banbu shu sakatto ka ni teliki corona care center ki bathamai hagi district beper jong ke jilla hakajo kopor ba met ba lingdo ula kerpat ru ya baro ki dorbar snong ki rangba snong ki nongilam niam bat ki kinhon beper bakin ya trailang bat ka sorkar jilla hakum gani kapor khnang bandubla ban ye khun persya ye gani ka jingpang khlam kabalawan linshop teng hagani ka jilla Meghalaya hagani ka kenti.
Spite of COVID cases in the state, and as you are all aware that death cases, precious life of the people of the state have been lost in this last few weeks. It is appropriate for us to sit down together as the honorable members of the House to take a collective responsibility as far as the fight on this COVID-19. Today we have discussed at length. The government has given us detailed presentations on the number of positive cases and the number of death cases as well. The second part of it was that the government also has given us a presentation on the steps or actions taken at its level in the different areas like the containment, the vaccination and the treatment as well. Other than that, we had discussed at length about setting up of oxygen plants at different locations. Some are at the hospital site, increase the number of beds, identifying new corona care centers at the different districts and different locations in the state. For me, I'm so happy to inform you that the discussion has been a very fruitful one, and where we have exchanged our views and opinions, and all the honorable members have participated, keeping in mind their responsibility also as the elected member, that a lot of suggestions, a lot of inputs and a lot of feedbacks have been given to the government. The government has assured that all those suggestions and inputs, feedbacks which have been given have been taken note of, and in order to strengthen the other areas that they have been working in this last few weeks. So from my side, I am to make an appeal to the citizen of the state that this is the time that the people of the state has to remain calm, cool, and have the confidence at the machineries that the government has in place in all the difficult locations of the state. The citizens of the state have to ensure that the vaccinations which needs to be done as advised is the need of the hour to ensure that we increase the immunity of ourselves in fighting against this COVID-19. Therefore, I look forward that the cooperation and support from the people of the state, like what has happened last year, which was team work that each and every one of us have shown, has really been a success one. So this time again, we have to be more focused on the participation of the people of the state from all walks of life in order to ensure that the government delivers and take care for its own citizens. I also would like to appeal to all the Darbar Shnongs, the headmen, the Sardar, the leaders of different groups, the NGOs, the religious groups, and so on, to come forward and work together with the government against this fight and the spread of this COVID-19. So with this few words, I would like to thank each and every one of you and wish you all the very best. Take care, stay safe, and God bless.